Sam.
Sam.
Shot spot alert, 3 rounds, 11765 South Ashland. City to the street.
112 in Hamlin. Unknown unit is calling for help. 112 in Hamlin. 112 in Hamlin. Units inside citywide. Getting a shot spotter 11755 South Ashland. That's 11755 South Ashland. 2 rounds in the street. How far is the position, please? Just 12 in Hamlin. Can we get a car to 112 in Hamlin? We got a 10-1, 112 in Hamlin. 2221. 33 coming from the station, 112 in Hamlin, got a 10-1.
2272 close block.
Units in 22 citywide. Units in 2202.
We need an ambulance. We got 3 PO shots. They just came right in front of the station. Get some ambulances over here.
Right in front of. We got a 10-1, 112 place in Hamlin, 112 place out. Also got a 10-1 in front of 22 with 3 PO shot. Again, 10-1 in front of 22 with 3 PO shot.
13 squad, show deployment, push 10-1. 5th district, send what you can send, squad.
Alright, just go. First one on scene, let us know.
12 in Hamlin, nothing.
112, we got 112 in Hamlin. 2202.
2234 is taking one of the POs to the hospital.
Alright.
$46.70.
4670.
Yeah, you could put me down going that 22nd district.
10-4. We will call Christ.
So call one more time. Go ahead.
Alright, so they got a Hamlin and 112 South Hamlin. So far, they've taken 1 PO to the hospital, 3 officers shot. Two FHA agents. 3 David 55.
Squad, show me one of the 22nd district. Do we know if it's bona fide?
10-4 modified.
Alright, show me en route.
Alright, got you going.
4603.
4603.
Heading to 22.
Got you on the 22. Okay, you gave us
PO.
Alright, so they going to Christ and you're going to send us the information. We got a unit on Hamlin yet?
Zone 9, you have 2 other agents in the area. Our agents put out that a white Impala was involved before. It was last seen at 118th and Normal in the area. We're going to get to the scene of the shooting.
Alright, a white Impala involved 118 and Normal was last seen at 118 and Normal. Did you know which way it was going?
No plate at this time. Last seen on 118th heading west of Normal.
Alright, 118 headed west of Normal. 118 west of Normal. Do we have a unit following?
Just for information, we're heading to 22.
All right, not following, just information, and you headed to 22. Did anybody reach Hamlin yet?
212. We're going to 112 in Hamlin. Is there something going on there?
Okay, it's Hamlet. Sorry, 1200 South Hamlet.
Three officers shot. And it's 112 in Hamlet. They made it an error, so it's Hamlet.
So Doc's running 22, correct? 201, plate info, Charlie Lincoln, 22234, white Chevy Malibu.
All right, white Chevy Malibu with a plate of Charlie Lincoln 22234. Do we have eyes on it?
Negative, that's from our victim. Squad.
That's going to be Charlie Lincoln 22234. Charlie Lincoln 22234.
Charlie Lincoln 22234, 2010 Chevy 4-door, registers 11732 South Normal. Kamari Wright is the owner. Kamari Wright registers 11732 South Normal on the white 2010 Chevy 4-door.
ATF, the other officer was hit to Christ. We're heading down 111, coming to Western right now.
All right, 111 Western going to Price. Where the other two officers? One at a time.
Going north on Western right now. We're going to take 103rd.
And where are the other two officers?
One's already on there en route to Christ. The other's in front of the station.
And 2222?
We don't see anything on Hamlet.
All right, nothing seen on Hamlet per 22.
Hamlin?
No, they said they changed it to Hamlet. And 2202, are the ambulance on scene yet?
2202, we got 17 and 72, but so far the two injured was transported by CPD. And we got one in one of the ambulances here.
All right, so two transported. Do you know where the second one went? We know the first one went to Price.
I'm not sure. 2234 transported a female. Another unit transported a male.
All right, do we have any officers on the line that has that second PO, and what hospital are you taking them to?
ATF, we have the second officer. We're en route to Christ right now. We're on a California westbound.
All right, passing California West. 234. Wait, one more time, 34. We couldn't copy. You said something about a cell phone in a vehicle? Can your partner use their radio? Yours is pretty scratchy.
Squad, I said the thing about that PO phone is inside of the vehicle. We made it to Christ.
Okay, you made it to Christ with the female or the male victim?
It's to Christ with the female victim. I sent over the info over the BBC.
All right, and you know what type of condition she's in?
Yes, Squad, all the doctors saying they just got her inside.
All right, and that second...
Is it clear for security?
Yeah, you can go. What unit is this?
13.
All right, 513, I got you going to Christ. What's your code for the...
19 Pulse, squad.
All right.
Squad Evergreen 1, there's nothing at Hamlin, right? We're not looking at Hamlin anymore?
Not looking at Hamlin anymore. They said nothing at Hamlet either. Thank you. All right, and do anybody know where that third officer is going in that ambulance in front of the station?
Heads and left jet, we'll let you know as soon as it's done. Ambulance 17. If somebody could block off the expressway, 119th Street, going northbound from 119th Street. Completely block it off. It's going to be crime scene.
22? And you want this northbound, which is inbound or outbound?
Inbound, 119th. Just block off 119th, going northbound on the east side of the expressway. Block it off so we can find our seat.
All right, 22.
22.
Can you block off that E-way at 119th northbound?
10-4.
99 is state police notified.
They're notified. He's notifying them now.
Apparently this happened on the ramp.
This happened on the ramp?
Initial information.
Okay, I notated this.
Give out a flash of that vehicle again. Keep giving it out citywide.
Units, read that plate out and get a description of the vehicle.
Units in 22 citywide on that 11200 South Hamlet. We're looking for a white 2010 Chevrolet 4-door with a plate of Charlie Lincoln 22234. That's Charlie Lincoln 22234. That's a white 2010 Chevrolet 4-door involved in a shooting with 3 police officers. It's registered to a Kamari Wright, 11732 South Normal out of Chicago. No further 22nd District Clip.
2202.
And locate squad.
02.
The units on the air, the POs were being followed by that vehicle from the 400 block of West 119th Street. They got on the expressway, and the offending vehicle started shooting at them from on top of the ramp.
ATF on 19, second officers arrived at the hospital. Vehicle, our system is refreshing right now.
All right, second officer at the hospital, and that's Christ, right? That's the male. All right, they said that offending vehicle, which is a white 2010 Chevrolet 4-door, was following the officers.
2210, can you have 506 Sam run it on LPR? Our system's refreshing.
502 Sam.
506 Sam already checked. The last hit we had was yesterday on the 6th.
Where's the hit?
Information, man. Come on.
Go with the information.
No, last time we were seen was yesterday on the 6th on 91st Street for that Charlie Lincoln 22234.
31st, was it parked? Was it moving?
It was moving.
96. $30.
530.
They're cruising to 117 South Normal. Nothing on the block, so I'll stay in the area.
All right, 117 normal, nothing on the block.
What's he saying?
02 Sam.
Said that occurred on the northbound lane around 119.
Yes, northbound lane, inbound, they said, 119. They said they were shooting at them from on top of the ramp.
So that may be related to that 11755 South Ashland shot spot that we had for like 3 rounds.
Okay. Alright, O2 Sam, I cross-reference those.
530.
530.
Let's get someone at desk to run his stop history, contact cards, arrest, status of arrest. Let's get some hands on this guy.
Okay, one more time, what you said?
Raise one of the desk officers and have him run his arrest history, added for arrest, any contact cards, any traffic stops. Let's get a pattern of where he's at.
Alright.
1099, I'm on it. Yes, ma'am.
Squad from Evergreen is all the injured POs accounted for. There's 2 at the hospital now and 1 more coming.
Yes, they all are accounted for. We got 2 at Christ, and 1 was taken by the ambulance, I believe, to Luke Company of Mary. 2202?
Three on the zone.
5-3.
5-3 squad. What's the condition? Life threatening or what?
We haven't got that information yet. 2234.
I'm on the phone with the station waiting on somebody to pick up.
on zone 9.
What unit?
720, zone 9.
720, go with it.
Yeah, do we have a Excalibur?
2202.
Alright, unit, stand by, watch your keys. Watch your keys, stand by. 702. 720, you coming in?
Yes, we're trying to locate the exact location of the shot.
We had a shot spotter come out at 11755 South Ashland. They gave us an address of 12000 South Hamlet.
2220.
2220.
We have at least 1 shell case in 11759 Ashland.
Did you copy that, 20?
Copy. I say you did not copy that?
They found 1 shell casing at 11759 South Ashland. O2 Sam.
System just refreshed. Paris, the last time it was seen was on 29 West 71st Street going southbound at 4:37 this morning.
At 4:30 a.m.?
Simple.
Alright, 5:30, did you copy that? $22.12.
Whoa.
Can you be the paper car on this? $22.12.
48 is that.
Can you be the paper car?
Awesome.
502 Sam.
502 Sam.
Yeah, I got a number for the subject who the car come back to.
So with
202.
wait, stand by. 2202.
We got that third PO, CPD officer going to Christ, the ambulance 17. We got a unit that can follow.
13 squad, we already at Christ Station right here.
Okay, they got a unit at Christ. And you got 2234. Twenty-two 2232.
202.
2202.
432 is following ambulance 17 to Christ.
All right, 432 is following that ambulance 17 in Christ.
2210.
Unit coming in.
2210. Just got a spotter. They were on the expressway getting on, so I believe it's going to be state's job, and we'll be assisting heavily.
All right, did you copy that 2212?
I got Roy Red for him, right?
All right, so we have all three POs at Christ. We got 2234 with the female. And 432 is also going to Christ with one of the officers, and we got 513 at Christ with the officer.
710 on City Line 1.
Obviously, those frequencies are busy with the 10-1 officer shot. I am at Christ Hospital. The officers, the two officers at Christ Hospital are ATF agents. They are not CPD employees. Not trying to minimize it, but they are ATF agents.
Okay, 10-4, so just to confirm, both of the officers that were shot from the 10-1 and 22 are not CPD officers. You said they are ATF?
Affirmative. ATF is here. There was a CPD officer detailed to them, but he or she was not injured. The third officer involved here is also ATF. So at the moment at Christ Hospital, there are no involved police officers shot. Agents only at this time.
Okay, 10-4, thank you for confirming. I'll let them know.
1099, thank you.
Supervisor on the scene in 22. You want state police to come to the 22nd district? 2299. 2299.
And 2202, hold on for a second. 99 is on a call.
All right, I just need to know where the state police want to know where they report to.
2210. I'm not 99, but we got crime scene secured and the officers at the hospital, so they could go wherever they want to start for an investigation first.
I'll have them come to the 22nd district, sir.
George.
4601 George.
Well, just to verify, we don't have containment, and the offenders made good on their escape.
4601 George, 10-4. The plate declared the vehicle that we're looking for is Charlie Lincoln 22234. Charlie Lincoln 22234 on a white 2010 Chevy Ford.
Over two.
So,
2, is you coming in?